Hey guys, it's Nick again, and this time I'll show you one very useful feature on Odoo that will manage the VAT related with the new one-stop shop law that will be put to use live from 1st of July. At the moment of making this video, we're the first to cover the module, the features, and I'll show you an example of how it works. So in return, please leave a like on the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and turn the notification bell on so you won't miss any of our future uploads. Let's jump into the tutorial right now. Alright, so right now, on the most common place on Odoo, the Odoo dashboard. Let's search for taxes, so we can display which taxes do we have set up already. We want to change the way creating tax templates works. So let's click on the apps module, or search for apps if it doesn't appear for you. Search for OSS. Remove this apps. Okay. OSS stands for one-stop shop. As it states here, the module is called EU Mini One-Stop Shop, MOSS. Odoo will release a full version of it, so it won't be a mini in the future, but that's gonna happen past July, and that's due to Odoo. So let's install this module right now. Click on the install button. The module has been successfully installed. Let's go back to the dashboard. Search for tax in the dashboard and open the Accounting, Configuration, Accounting, Taxes. So we have 81 tax. You can see that these ones are already pre-made from us and they're made manually. If we scroll down, all of these new taxes are added from the module. You can see that now we have all the VAT taxes for the EU services to all countries, and all of the taxes contain the right amount. Just a note, there could be small exceptions due to this module being updated constantly, but as I was saying previously, this module states the correct taxes across whole Europe. So this module saves you time of setting up manual taxes for your shop, saves you the effort and let's say complex setup, because setting up tax needs to be done carefully and correctly. So let's open Germany, for example. You have these definition options that are already set up. The tax type is sales. You can enable it or disable it over here, and we can go into advanced options. There are many more things that you can enable or disable based on your needs. So I'm sure all of you would enjoy having this module on your database, and the best thing is, it's free. In the next tutorial chapter, I'll cover an example of adding this text to a store product or a sale order, both for company and individuals. See you in the next tutorial.